When winter hits Illinois, choosing the right furnace is crucial. At Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning, we help homeowners decide between gas and electric furnaces for comfort, efficiency, and budget. Gas furnaces burn natural gas to deliver quick, steady warmth, making them ideal for Illinois' cold nights. They're highly efficient, with most models converting 80 to 98% of fuel into usable heat. Electric furnaces use heating elements or heat pumps, converting electricity directly into heat with 100% efficiency. But since electricity costs more per unit than gas in Illinois, operating expenses can be higher. Installing a gas furnace generally costs more upfront, especially if you need new gas lines, but operating costs are lower, about $500 to $700 per year for a 2,000 square foot home. Electric furnaces are easier to install and last longer, but can cost up to $2,500 annually to run. Consider your home's existing gas lines, insulation, and budget. Gas is typically best for older, drafty homes. Electric or hybrid systems suit newer, energy-efficient houses. For expert advice and a personalized quote, contact Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning today at 630-788-4688. We'll help you find your perfect heating solution.